This was an above garage attic space that was one large open space that had no details to it really. It was just, blank dormers and open area.
I got to partner with Wendy on this job and Karr Bick Construction. This is probably my favorite project, and I think a lot of people at Karr Bick kind of feel the same way just because it evokes such a feeling when you come in the room.
Everybody that worked on it, miracle stuff, gorgeous stuff, high level craft. I mean, it always blows my mind at how beautifully they can put together the vision of the designer.
If you look around the space and see the workmanship that our carpenters did on this space, it's just breathtaking. It's perfect. Like every corner meets perfectly, everything's straight. It's just, I couldn't have done it without our construction team.
There was no wainscoting in this space to begin with. Plus, it was one of the details in the inspiration image that Alia had sent us initially. And then we also added all the box beams in the ceiling. If one of the guys had a question, I drove over here and we solved the problem together and we figured it out.
Somebody else previously had installed an HVAC system up here, and it was just a box on the wall that was outlined in molding, and she's like, we got to do something with this. And I remember going to Jenny and being like, can we hide this somehow? And she's like, oh, Todd will figure that out, no problem. And sure enough, between Todd and Barry and Rich, all of our guys that are such incredible carpenters, they figured it out, and it works like a charm, and you would never know it's here. And I still to this day don't understand how they did it, but it's beautiful.
So creative planning that looks pretty.
She was willing to do a really dark color in the shower. She was willing to not do white cabinets, the black and white marble floor, like all of those things came together to be a really rich project that a lot of people maybe get a little scared to take as bold of steps as she did. Kind of can relax and let things like that happen, how beautifully it can come together. So this is definitely one of my favorite projects.
I know she's been texting Ashley and Wendy and telling them when she's enjoying something, and that is something that we don't always get, and it makes everything worth it.
I do remember her reaching out to me to specifically tell me how thrilled she was when she first walked into this space.
Space definitely looks different color-wise and texture-wise in person than it does when it's in camera or behind the lens. It's hard to capture the detail in the lampshade, the wallpaper. It's probably even hard to notice that it is wallpaper above the wainscoting that we have here because it's just such a subtle detail that we added. There's so many layers to this room and to Wendy's space that she did that are really beautiful on camera, but then when you see them in person, it really shines.
I hope that this really tells a good story because in person it is so much more spectacular than any picture I've seen yet. And so hopefully your video and Lisa's photographs will really tell the story the way it deserves